അൽഹംദുലില്ലാ വസ്സലാത്തു വസ്സലാമു അലാ മൻ ലാ നബിയ്യ ബഅദ റബ്ബി ഇശ്റഹ് ലി സദ്രി വയസ്സിർ ലി അംരി വഹ്ലുൽ ഉഖ്ദതം മിൻ ലിസാനി യഫ്ഖഹു ഖൗലി അഊദു ബില്ലാഹി മിനശ് ശൈത്വാനിർ റജീം ഇല്ലല്ലദീന താബൂ മിൻ ബഅദി ദാലിക വഅസ്ലഹൂ ഫഇന്നല്ലാഹ ഗഫൂറുർ റഹീം. إلا الذين تابوا من بعد ذلك وأصلحوا فإن الله غفور رحيم. Now we are going to study the Quran. First I will say the meaning. In English. Okay. So please come and see what we can say. Illa means but. Alladina, those who tabu, they have repented. They repented. Tabu. Min ba'di dhalika, after that or after this. Wa aslahu, and they made amends. They amended. They have amended. They made amends. Fa inna Allah, then surely Allahu Ghafurun, most forgiving, and Rahimun, most merciful. So illa, but alladina, those who tabu, they have repented. Min ba'di dhalika, after that. Wa aslahu, and they have made amendments. They have made amendments. Fa inna Allah, then the Almighty Allah, surely Ghafurun, most forgiving, and Rahimun, most merciful. The meaning, but those who repent after this and make amends, then surely Allah is most forgiving, most merciful. Okay, now I am going to say the meaning of in Hindi. After that I will give you also the some details. Okay. illa alladina, illa परंतु, अल्लदीना, जो लोग, ताबू, तौबा किया, मिन बादी दालिका, इसके बाद, व अस्लहू, और तदा सुधार कर लिया, फ़इन्नल्लाह, तो निश्चय अल्लाह, तो फ़इन्नल्लाह, तो निश्चय अल्लाह, गफूरुन, अत्यंत क्षमाशील, रहीमुन, असीम, दयावान. गफूरुन, अत्यंत क्षमाशील, रहीमुन, असीम, दयावान है अल्लाह. तो क्या बोलते हैं, परंतु जो लोग इसके बाद तौबा करे तो निश्चय अल्लाह अत्यंत क्षमाशील, असीम, दयावान है. ये है आयत का मीनिंग. इसका मतलब से थोड़ा मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ. देखिए, सभी विद्वानों की सर्वसम्मति है कि क्षमा या जना से उसे दांड बोले तो जो व्यभिचार का आरोप करने वाले को 80 कोड़ा देना पड़ते ना, तो उस ये 80 कोड़ा से क्षमा अस्सी कोड़ा से क्षमा नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि क्षमा के पश्चात वह अवज्ञाकारी नहीं रह जाएगा तथा उसका साक्षी स्वीकार किया जाएगा। अधिकतर विद्वानों का यही विचार है। तो ओके, नाउ दिस इज द देखिए, आप दूसरे के ऊपर व्यभिचार का आरोप करके आपको साक्षी नहीं ला सकते तो आपको 80 कोड़ा मारना पड़ते। तो आप ये 80 कोड़ा मारने में आपको इसमें से आपको वो छोड़ता नहीं। लेकिन अभी जब भी आप फासिक का नियम में नहीं आएगा, अवज्ञाकारी का नियम में नहीं आएगा, क्षमा करेगा, तो यही है इसका मतलब। सो प्लीज़ नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू द डिटेल्स, शॉर्ट डिटेल्स। 1 minute. Short details. The consensus of all scholars is that an apology will not spare him from the punishment. What is the punishment? 80 lashes. Rather, after forgiveness, he will no longer be disobedient, and his evidence will be accepted. This is the opinion of most scholars. Okay, so now we can go the tajweed. Now we can go the tajweed. What is here tajweed? Illa alladhina tabu. आइए, illa alladhina tabu. Where is illa alladhina? Illa alladhina, there is illa, see there illa, and there is this alif and this alif, there is 2 alif. So only we read only this, we can say this alif, we can say hamzatul wasl. So this alif and this alif we are not reading. We are reading only illa. After that here we are reading illa alladhina. Here. So the naturally mad is there. Mad tabi'i, you 2 times you want to read illa alladhina. Tabu, here also tabu, there is a alif, this also mad, 2 times you want to read this alif. Illa alladhina tabu, and there here you can see this an alif. This alif we can call it from among sab'a alif. So this alif also we do not read. We do not read this one. Here mim ba'di. Here you see, here this the noon we are saying noon as-sakina. We can say noon and as-sakina. But noon as-sakina there is sukun, no. On the noon you can't see the sukun of noon. Where he is gone? Is gone. See, we are turned this sukun into mim. Now we are deleted or we are hided this sukun, and we are bring a mim, and we are reading this way, mim ba'di dhalika. So when you are seeing like this like these signs in the Quran, on the mim, on the sukun, a mim, after that will come a letter of ba. So we can call here this procedure iqlab. We can say this procedure is iqlab. Iqlab. Yeah, what the procedure we done? Here we done the we hide the sukun and we bring a meme and we are reciting the ayat mim ba'di. So we are saying iqlab. Okay. Mim ba'di dhalika wa aslahu. Also this alif also among from the sab'a alif. Okay. Wa aslahu sa. So you should be sa aslahu. Fa inna Allah fa inna. So you can see here you here under the alif there is a hams. So you should bring the sound e. Fa inna. Fa inna lazim you should bring the sound fa inna. Fa inna. This alif is قطع ألف القطع همزة القطع. You can say hamzatul qatl. So we should be bring the sound fa'i, fa'inna. So also you can see there on the noon a shadd. So mushaddad, noon mushaddada. So we are saying we wanted to read like this fa'inna bil gunna. With the gunna we wanted to read it fa'inna Allah. فإن الله not الله فإن الله غفور رحيم غفور رحيم. Here there is see this the tanween there this tanween we wanted to understand this tanween like this tanween coming. So after that a word coming for ikhfa. But here we do not we do not read the with gunna. Only we give from this two lammat, one lammat to on the ra. So ra will get shad. So we are reading here Ghafuru Rahim, Ghafuru Rahim. So we can call it idgham bihunna idgham bila gunna kamil, idgham bila gunna kamil. Okay, please so try to learn the Quran and write your doubts, write your opinions. You are welcome. I am happy when you are writing something. Also please subscribe, please like. If you are very a big scholar, but somebody in the world they can't to read, they can't to understand the Quran. When you are liking, when you are sharing, when you are commenting, I think something will go to some people, so they will also read the Quran. So you will come a caution for teaching the Quran. Allah will give you rewards. Thanks to watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.